Alright guys, we're back. Thunder Cash. What was this? Is it? We got one line, 5 lines. Alright, yeah, this is Thunder Cash. It's one of my favorite games. So I'm just going to move this over a little bit, center a bit more. It's great when lovely people come here and smoke and cover the machines in cigarette ash. It's disgusting. So, you know what? If you come to these places and you're gonna smoke, yeah, there's ashtrays right here, but funnily enough, people can't seem to get it in the ashtray. If you're a smoker out there, I do not mean to offend you in any way. I'm just not a smoker myself, so. So, we are looking for the symbol that says Thunder Cash on it. This one right here. See if we can hit a bonus. Oh, 2 out of 3. There we go. So those lightning bolts are wilds, obviously, and that's a nice $200 hand pay. $200 line pay. I keep saying hand pay. I don't know why I'm saying hand pay. Playing 5 lines. If we can get that Thunder Cash feature, that would be great. We've got 2 out of 3. Need the third one. Is that nice little $200 line pay was great. Let's see if we can get that one across the middle there. One more. There we go. So these lightning bolts are going to be sticky wilds and they're going to stay, and then hopefully we'll get some line pays. 3 games. Not looking terribly good. We've got the ones across the bottom. In the middle. There we go. Wasn't as good as it could be. line pay. I think I had I was only playing one line. That's probably why I was paying so well. Which is a shame because that lineup of sticky wilds would have paid really well. Another feature would be nice. The diamonds pay really well. One more, no good. Still recovering from our rinsing on Huff and Puff. It was a stinky bonus. If you get these certain simples on some of these lines, they pay really well. Maybe if we can get another Thunder Cash bonus. $20 line pay. $15 line pay. Come on, Thunder Cash. $25 line pay. A couple of line pays here and there. I'm annoyed because I had the lines wrong in that last set of games. We could have done quite well out of that, I think. Started really well, we've been slowed up quite a way. Looking for that Thunder Cash feature again. $5 line pay. See if we can get another one. Nope. Not a lot going on. Thunder Cash. If we can get one more trigger, that would be great. At least we triggered something after that Huff and Puff. Just got murdered on that Huff and Puff. But we're still up, so that's a bonus. Diamonds and stuff everywhere. One more. No. So close. Oh dear. It's gone a bit quiet here. No, we want 3 of those, not 2. Little line pay, $5. No. So if you get the line pays in the right, you get the symbols in the right place, and those sticky wilds in the feature, you can do really, really well on this machine. Just a bit dry. lot going on. It's just intake mode. Oh, one more. Oh, no good. Just teasing. There we go. $50 line pay there. Not doing too badly. We put 400 in, so $10 line pay. One more. Oh, gets me excited. It's a lot easier when these machines are positioned in a corner and you don't have big lit up Dragon Link games like right next to it. These aren't as popular now as they used to be, so. Well, I think, whoops, sorry, knocking the camera there. I think we need to get Bonus Bear out. Bonus Bear's here again. He's 1 from 3 now. Just gonna sit in on the machine and hopefully he'll be able to bring us some luck. $10 line pay. Excuse me. Oh, almost. Not a lot going on. Red diamonds. $20 line pay. Come on, Bonus Bear. Kiss that Thunder Cash. We got 10s and aces. $45 line pay. Kiss. I want those Thunder Cash. Kings at the top. Got our bet back. Ooh, an extra diamond up the top there would have been nice. Let's go. No. Can we get another bonus? That's the question. Or is this machine gonna get greedy? It's just getting dry. Kiss Thunder Cash, kiss it. Mine's there, got a bet back. Oh, almost. Not looking terribly good at the moment. There we go. Kiss that bonus. $25 for the trigger. Let's go. Get those sticky wilds. Come on, 5 to go. Got them. 35. There we go, up the top. 2 to go. One to go. Re-trigger. Re-trigger. Re-trigger is super invaluable. Now if we can get a couple more lightning bolts in the middle, a couple of good symbols. Come on. One in the middle. There we go. Nice little line play there. One more. Almost got it. Almost got a re-trigger again. There we go. 579. Not too bad. So we're back up $174 above where we started. So you can see that when those Thunder Cash features go off, you can do really well. Especially if you get a re-trigger, those re-triggers, because it gives you more chances to get those sticky wilds to drop. See if we can't get another one. Jacks up the top, $10. I wonder if we can get another feature. Been pretty lucky so far. $5, got that bet back. Oh, another die there would have been nice. Kiss that screen bonus bear. Kings in the middle, got a bet back. Jacks across the bottom. Thunder Cash. Getting tempted to pull this out where we started. Just going back and forth. And we got the 3 diamonds there. $20 line pay. Money back. Kings across the bottom, money back. Thunder Cash. Oh. Double the bet back. Money back again. Can we trigger? I think we're going to pull out at a $400 floor here. Where we started. Not ideal, but it's better than leaving behind. We got the 4 kings there. There we go. $40 line pay. No good. But we were on there. No. Just whittling down here. Couple more left. No good. All right, guys. Well, bonus bear, not looking too happy. We're gonna leave with what we put in. Sometimes it's better to leave with at least the money you came with, as opposed to just chasing and chasing like we did in the Huff and Puff when we just got wrecked. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed that game. Like and subscribe. Any suggestions for any games in the comments, and see you on the next one.